Look at these organic freeze-dried strawberry slices. They were sent to me by the brand Gcute to try out and make a video so that I could show you their product. See how they look in the package? And let me take some out. They feel crispy, but they look like strawberry slices. And they smell like strawberries. They smell so good. You can eat them just like this as a snack. But right now, I wanted to put them in a bowl with cereal and pour milk on them and see what happens. Let's see. Well, they're looking more like strawberries, aren't they? The milk should reconstitute them. Look at that. Looks just like a fresh strawberry slice. So I'm going to eat this bowl of cereal and see how they taste. They taste like strawberries. Fresh strawberries. They could be used in baking, garnishing. I think if you just sprinkled a little bit of water on them, they'd really look like fresh strawberries. You can take them camping and you can snack on them. They're really good. 1/2 cup is 1 serving size, and that's only 22 calories. That's a lot of good taste for 22 calories. I don't usually have a bedtime snack, but I'm making an exception tonight because these strawberries just look so good. Getting some of these for snacking, for putting on cereal, putting on in yogurt. These would be really good in vanilla yogurt or plain yogurt, plain Greek yogurt. That's what I'm going to try next. I would really recommend these. The flavor and the smell, it's just delightful.